Hello everyone, my name is Gudeta. Today I'm here to present our project. Our project title is titled Twitter Bar Project Group 1. Our team members is Asmamo, Gudeta, and Kasa. Our agenda is introduction, technology we used, use case diagram of our project, and demos. Introduction. Our Twitter bar project is mainly concerned on fetching tweets from Twitter based on 4 query topics: documentary action and adventure and the comedy. Also, there is a geolocation. We use the Google Map API and it displays those tweets using our customized formats. This, as you guys see, this is our homepage for our website. We will see the detail on the next presenter. This is the language and the library tools we used. Server side, we use the Java servlet and the JSP. Also, we use the Twitter 4J, which is a new technology. Java servlet is a controller we use in our system, in our project. JSP is as a viewer. Twitter 4J is the functionality of Twitter J is fetch data from the Twitter and it converts JSON data to objects. In client side, we use HTML5, JavaScript, CSS, and the jQuery, also Google Map API. Tools, we use NetBeans and the IntelliJ IDE. We use the Git or GitHub. We use the GitHub to control our version. Use case of our project. We have 3 use cases. One, list this tweet by using query string. The second one, showing trends by location. The third one, showing trends with the pop-up windows. This is our use case diagram. User views the system, the use case, and the system fetch data from the Twitter. Our next presenter is going to present the next one.
Well, my name is Kasa. I'm going to present the second part of our project, which is the demo part. Here is our welcome page. Our welcome page has different sections. Here we have our logo and the navigation sections, the tweets, map, trends. And here is our banner. And at the bottom part is the footer. As you can see, it says powered by WAP Group 1 2016. Let me show you the different sections. Let's first see what the tweets navigation section displays when it is clicked. As you can see, when the tweets is clicked, it displays 4 query topics, which are documentary, action, adventure, comedy. And when each query topic is clicked, it gets highlighted. The adventure is clicked, it gets highlighted. The comedy is clicked and it gets highlighted. If I clicked one of the tweets under the documentary topic, it has 8 different tweets by different individuals, and it has a profile page, the name, and the tweet text. If the tweet text is clicked, it takes us to the person's tweet page. The same is true for comedy, for example. Profile page, tweet text. Let's see what happens. Takes us to the tweet page again. The other part that I want to show you is the map section. When the map is clicked, it takes us by default to the place where we are. Obviously, we are at field, and then it shows what is going on around here. If the first part is clicked, it takes us again to the tweet page. If I click in a different part on the map, It shows again different tweets. The same is true. Let's go to the trends navigation section. By default, takes us to the place where we are. Obviously, we are at Fairfield, and then let's click a different section on the map. Again, different tweets are presented. If I click right here, it shows us different. Let's click one of the list here. Again, just like the previous ones, takes us to a tweet page. Let me show you the responsiveness design of our system. If it responds based on the screen resolution of system. Yeah, as you can see, it responds just based on screen resolution. And the final part is if I click our banner, it takes us to our welcome page. The next page will be presented by Asmamo.
Hello everyone, my name is Asmamo. This is the last part of our project. So this is the IntelliJ IDE, and I will show you our project source code. So this is our project, Twitter bar project, and inside it there are source folder and web directory. Inside source folder we have the model and the controller. Let me show you. So this is the controller and this is the model. So inside the web directory we have the source codes for the view part, the presentation of our system. So let me see. Let me show you one by one each classes. So this is the controller. So the controller is implemented using the Java servlets. In each controller, we have only one method, the toGet method, which is the HTTP method. So we don't have other methods because we don't need them. For example, we don't have data to post to the server, so we didn't have to post method. So in other servlets, we don't have also the to post method. Only we have one method. When we come to the model, we have only one class, the tweets. So inside the tweets, each tweets have a unique ID, the image URL, the screen name of the user, and the status. This is our model, and lastly we have the presentation, which is implemented using the Java server pages. So we have one home page for all views, which is the home page. So the other, which have underscore in the front of the name, is the partial of the home page. So they will be inserted to the home page according to the request of the user to create a dynamic view. Let's go to the assets. We have the CSS and image we use it for banner as a logo, home logo, and inside the JS we have used the jQuery library to implement the map, the Google Map, and the Ajax calls to the server based on the map click. We have trends, JavaScript also for trends and for tweets. Inside the web folder, the web file, we have configuration parameters to make it easy to configure our project according to the requirement. So we have maximum number of tweets inside the context parameter. So all the parameters are inside the context parameter, which means we can access from the application context, the application scope. So we have maximum number of tweets, 8, default tweets, documentary, which means by default when the project is when the tweets open, the documentary will be active. Radius unit, we have used mile radius, radius of the radius on the map. When we click on the map, the library will access the tweets within this 28 radius. And the maximum number of trends is 5. Home our home pages, home JSP. So this is the home. This is our web.xml files. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone.